Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see construction related to class 10. Here is the first question. Draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 2 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So now we will divide this question into different steps. So first we will see the first part of the question. Draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm. So first we will draw a line of 7 cm. So here it is 7 cm. Mark it and join and name it. As soon as you draw the figure, please name it. This is equal to 7 cm. So the first part of the question is done. So now the second part. Taking A as center, draw a circle of 3 cm. So now what we have to do? Take out your compass and take out your pencil. I am using sketch so that it will be more clear for you. And then you have to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So take out your scale and measure 3 cm. Yes, from here 3 cm. So you can measure it 3. Now we are going to draw a circle with A as center. With A as center, you are going to draw a circle Remember, whenever you draw a circle, you have to hold the tip of the compass. So, you have to hold the tip of the compass and draw the circle. Then for the next part, second part is done. Next, draw a circle of radius with B as center, taking 2 cm as radius. Taking 2 cm as radius. So you can see here 2 cm. So with B as center, now you draw a circle. Now we need to construct the tangents. For constructing the tangent, now you need the midpoint of this line. So now you have drawn a line AB. So now you have to draw the midpoint. So to draw the midpoint, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, take more than half of AB. Draw an arc above and below line AB. Here and here. If they are not joining, please extend it. And now you can draw the line and mark the midpoint. So here you can use dotted lines. So now this is a midpoint. Name it as C. Now with C as center, you are going to draw a circle with AC as radius, and with C as center, you are going to draw a circle. With C as center and AC as radius, you are going to draw the circle. And you can see this circle touches the other two circles at two different points. That is, the smaller circle with 2 points, it intersects, you can name it as here. These 2 points you can name it as P, Q and R and S. Now the last part, coming to the last part of the question, you have to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the circle. So to draw the tangents, what we need to do now? We have to join PB and QB. For the first circle, we'll be doing that. So here we have to join and now from R and S we will be joining to A and S. So now we need to join the points. So now that the tangents are drawn. So you can measure and see what will be the measurements. We will just see. So here it is 6.5 here. You can see how much it is. The same way here also it should be. Yeah, here also it is 6.5. Then we will see what is AR. Yeah, that is also 6.5. Here this is also 6.5. So this is how you need to construct. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and meet you in the next video, children.